Lesson: Theoretical Models for AI-Driven Vulnerability Management. Artificial intelligence has become a cornerstone in enhancing cybersecurity, particularly in the realm of vulnerability management. Theoretical models for AI-driven vulnerability management are essential for understanding how AI can be harnessed to identify, assess, and mitigate vulnerabilities in complex cyber environments. These models serve as frameworks that guide the application of AI techniques to improve the efficacy and efficiency of vulnerability management processes. AI-driven vulnerability management models often employ machine learning algorithms to predict and identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Traditional vulnerability management relies heavily on reactive measures, where vulnerabilities are patched after discovery. In contrast, AI models enable a proactive approach, predicting potential vulnerabilities based on patterns and historical data. For example, supervised learning models can be trained on datasets containing information about past vulnerabilities, including their characteristics and the contexts in which they were discovered. By learning from this data, the models can predict new vulnerabilities in similar contexts. One of the primary challenges in vulnerability management is the sheer volume of data that needs to be analyzed. Modern networks generate vast amounts of data from various sources, including logs, network traffic, and system configurations. AI models, particularly those based on deep learning, are adept at handling large datasets and can uncover hidden patterns that might be missed by human analysts. For instance, convolutional neural networks, which have been extensively used in image recognition, can be adapted to analyze network traffic data, identifying anomalies that could indicate potential vulnerabilities. The effectiveness of AI-driven vulnerability management models also hinges on the quality and diversity of the training data. Diverse datasets that include a wide range of vulnerabilities from different environments enable the models to generalize better and perform accurately in varied contexts. Transfer learning, a technique where a model trained on one task is adapted for another related task, can be particularly useful. For instance, a model trained on detecting vulnerabilities in web applications can be fine-tuned to identify vulnerabilities in mobile applications, leveraging the knowledge gained from the initial training. AI models for vulnerability management also incorporate techniques from natural language processing to analyze textual data, such as vulnerability descriptions, security advisories, and threat intelligence reports. NLP techniques, such as named entity recognition and sentiment analysis, can extract relevant information from unstructured text, enabling automated processing and analysis. This capability is crucial for keeping up with the constantly evolving threat landscape, where timely and accurate information is essential for effective vulnerability management. In addition to ML and NLP, reinforcement learning offers another promising avenue for AI-driven vulnerability management. RL models learn optimal strategies through trial and error, receiving feedback from the environment in the form of rewards or penalties. These models can be employed to develop automated patch management systems that prioritize and apply patches based on their criticality and potential impact on the system. By continuously learning from the outcomes of their actions, RL models can improve their decision-making processes, ensuring that the most critical vulnerabilities are addressed promptly. The integration of AI models into vulnerability management processes also raises important considerations regarding explainability and transparency. While AI models, particularly deep learning models, can achieve high levels of accuracy, their decision-making processes are often opaque. Explainable AI aims to address this issue by developing techniques that make AI models' decisions more understandable to human users. For instance, techniques like LIME can provide insights into which features contributed to a model's prediction, helping security analysts understand and trust the AI's recommendations. Furthermore, the deployment of AI models in vulnerability management necessitates robust evaluation and validation processes. It is essential to assess the model's performance using metrics such as precision, recall, and F1 score, ensuring that they can accurately identify and prioritize vulnerabilities. Cross-validation techniques, where the dataset is partitioned into training and testing subsets, are commonly used to evaluate the model's generalizability. Additionally, continuous monitoring and updating of the models are necessary to maintain their effectiveness in the face of evolving threats. The adoption of AI-driven vulnerability management models also has significant implications for organizational cybersecurity strategies. These models enable organizations to move from a reactive to a proactive security posture, identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This shift can lead to substantial cost savings by reducing the resources required for incident response and minimizing the potential damages from cyber attacks. Moreover, AI models can augment the capabilities of security teams, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks rather than being overwhelmed by routine vulnerability assessments. However, the integration of AI in vulnerability management is not without its challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for adversarial attacks, where attackers manipulate the input data to deceive the AI models. For example, an attacker could craft network traffic patterns that appear benign to an AI model, bypassing detection mechanisms. Addressing this issue requires the development of robust AI models that can withstand adversarial attacks and the implementation of complementary security measures to detect and mitigate such attempts. Another challenge is the ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in cybersecurity. The deployment of AI models must be guided by ethical principles, ensuring that they do not infringe on privacy rights or lead to unintended consequences. For instance, the use of AI for monitoring network traffic must balance the need for security with respect for individuals' privacy. Ethical guidelines and frameworks, such as those proposed by organizations like the IEEE and the European Commission, provide valuable insights for navigating these complex issues. In conclusion, theoretical models for AI-driven vulnerability management offer a sophisticated and proactive approach to enhancing cybersecurity. By leveraging techniques from machine learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning, these models can accurately identify and prioritize vulnerabilities, enabling organizations to mitigate threats before they can be exploited. However, the successful deployment of these models requires careful consideration of factors such as data quality, explainability, and ethical implications. As the threat landscape continues to evolve, AI-driven vulnerability management models will play an increasingly vital role in safeguarding digital assets and ensuring the resilience of cyber infrastructures.